So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, a brush tool and then start brushing out, start making out something right here, then I can do a few steps as you can see right here. If I were to press Ctrl Z, then I can go around and undo right here just like this. So, but the undo right here is only a certain number of times. So what if you may want to undo a many number of times? And in that case, what you can do is you can set the undo number settings. So to do that, you need to go around under edit right here, and then you need to go around under preferences. And once you go around over there, you see this dialog box pops up. And over here, you can see that the minimum number of undo levels is 5 right here, just like this. So that means after 5 undos, it'll simply go around and replace out the undo numbers. But what you can do is you can go around and change this out to 100 over here as well. And the maximum undo memory right here is this many kilobytes right here. Let me just go to gigabyte right here, just like this. So it takes 2 gigabytes of memory right here, 2 gigabytes to be exact right here. So the tile cache right here is 8 gigabyte right here, just like this, and the new maximum new image size is 0 gigabyte right here. So you can go around and choose the amount of storage right here, just like this, and press OK right here. And accordingly, what happens is that the undo number gets updated, and you can go around and undo as much as you want until 100 steps right here, and it'll still be stored out. And that is how you can go around and change around the undo number settings inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.